Alright, I'm doing my head, well, part of the head, the cylinder part for my V-twin engine. I've drilled 5 holes using my digital readout, hole center, bolt hole center, and I'm on hole 5. That was my last hole. I went to them coordinates. Now I'm going to use this and go to 6, hole 6, the last hole. Now I stay X, Y, Z. On the Y, I stay the same, but the X, I got to go 0.18. So undo my lock here. And then I'll move this to 0 out. And then I'll lock my table. Hopefully it'll lock it on 0 here. Holding the camera with one hand. So now I'm at 0, 0 for hole 6. I'm going to center drill, bring my knee up, my table. I'll center drill, and then I'll change to a drill and drill. Center drill. Goes my center drill down the center. I can't do this with one hand, I don't think. Okay, I'll have to come back. Okay, I'm going to drill my flange now, 4 holes to mount. Put it in here, found my 0, 0 over here using my edge finder. And then with my dimensions, I just went negative 70, 07 700ths, right? Tenths, hundredths, and then 07 the other way. So I'll hit that one, go to this location, that one, and I'll have my flange. Okay, I'm on my last hole here. Drilled this one, that one, and this one. Now I need to move my digital readout, the Y, that way to 070. So go 070, and then lock my table. Alright, so 070 and 43. 4.43 is from 0, 0 here, my way, toward the camera. And then from 0 this way over .07. Got a center drill in there and gonna center drill it. Just like so. Put my drill bit in there. Okay, got my drill bit in there. Bring her down to almost where she touches. Put a little cutting oil in there. And drill my last hole. I don't want to go down too far to touch the side of my head there. And that's it. Got my perfectly spaced holes there. So okay. And here it is, mounted to the block. And I got the head bolts or head holes drilled here. So cool.